Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I'm coming up with a new topic with new set of modules from our Odoo Community Association. And those product or modules are called as product pack. Definitely Odoo gives kit type product or combo type product. But how this product pack is different from the default Odoo features. Let's see. This entire library is available in version 17 and partially it's available in version 18 also with limited modules. But we are going to discuss all the modules and how it impacts our routine sales management. So here, what we will do is we will be going to create a sample of this particular products set over here using our product pack module. So what I will do is I will go to straight away into inventory and I will pick the product according to the category which I have just imported in this system. So this office is my main category, which is first I would like to create a product pack for Office Essential. So how we can do? So I will go and check Office Essential, and over here after installing this pack modules on your Odoo version, you will select that and then you will say okay, essential and product pack will be displayed over here. Now there are multiple options. First let's start with a detailed product display type, and then pack component price I would like to tokenize in main product. And then in the product list, what I will do, I will select all 4 products as a part of my pack. So personalized notebook, branded, so personalized notebook, branded pen set, then USB flash and wireless mouse. So USB flash and wireless mouse. So here I can also set the quantity, like I would like to give 2 branded pen set in this Office Essential combo. And then on each product, we will be required to set the price. So how it will work? So let's say for this particular notebook set, my cost was this and my selling price was this. Then for pen set, it was 50, selling was 100 each. Okay, so it's all units right now. And then USB flash drive, the cost was 400, selling price was 1000. And then wireless mouse, cost was 300, selling price was 700. So with this I am creating a pack of product, and then display type is detailed product pack. I want to display on my sales order. Okay, and then I want to have like all the price can be combined. So how it will differentiate, let's see. So first is Office Essential is there, and then I will just duplicate my window to create a sales order for my Office Essential. So in the sales, when I go for customer and let's say I pick Office Essential and save this, it will list down all my combo product with all the unit of measure, and the unit price will be the combination of all the cost price of my product. So this is how it will show me, like it will not show me the unit price over here because of my setting tokenize in main product. And that's how it will create entire thing. I will just simply remove first line and it will remove entire thing. Now if I want to change the detailed per component, okay, then if I add the same item, Office Essentials, then it will show individual price, and then I need to add my final price in my Office Essential product. So 300, and it will become like 2100 again, but I haven't set any price over here. So if I set 2100, then it will be visible over there. So let me just remove this again, and if I set Office Essential, it will show the final price and all individual price in my pack during my sales process. So this is how it will work. The third option is when I go to pack, I can also say ignore. Okay, so if I say ignore, and then if I set my product to sell Office Essentials, it will show me almost similar way like this. And then whatever is my sales price, it will be visible finally over here. Okay. So this is how it will set our Office Essential product. Now let me create another combo. So another pack is tech gadgets. So I will go and pick tech gadgets and pick is pack, and then it will say non-detail, and then I will add product one by one: headphone, power bank, and LED. So headphones, power bank, and LED. Now I haven't set any price because it is freshly added. So let's say I'm setting like headphone worth 1200 rupees, the power bank worth 600 rupees, and desk lamp worth 120 rupees. So this is how I design my tech gadget product. Now inside my sales order, I'm simply adding tech gadgets and save it. So it will directly show me all the price including, it will not show any detailed products. So that's how this tech gadget will work when I say non-detailed product. If I say detailed product, then I have to pick how it will be detailed. Then I say detailed per component, and then once I go and add tech gadgets again and save this, it will show all the details. If I want tokenize, totalize in main product, then it will automatic total and give into my sales price. So tech gadgets again showing all the total by locking this price. So this is how it will look in my sales quotation. So this is how you can also create a pack of product which is predefined with unit of with number of units, and then you can create this. Even with this module, you can also give your customer an option to sell this online. So now if I want to sell this online, I have to set all the product which is enabled inside my set. So if I go here and in Office Essential, if I go to my pack, what I need to do is, I need to open all the product to publish on my website. So over here, it is not published right now. So if I go here, I'm disabling this. So this is I'm enabling the product. So if I go to simply website, and then here from products, and then make it product category, and then I say everything is published. Just I need to check this and all the product will be published. Now I go back to my normal product inventory, and then I will say product by category. And then if I go to any of the product which I can sell individually also and with it also. So in tech gadget, now if I go and I say add to cart, it will add entire product set with the defined price with individual products. So this is how tech gadget has been added. The another product was in my list, right? Let me go to website again. Office Essential was there. So if I go here, let's say Office Essentials, this is Office Essentials, and I add to cart, I view cart, it will show me all the product with unit of measure like this. Now let's say if I am changing my product settings, Office Essentials. So inside my inventory, I go to product, I say Office Essentials, and in pack, I say detailed price per component. And then I go to my shopping cart. So you see, once I go to my shop page again, say Office Essential, it will show this one. I say add to cart, then it will show me 2100 rupees as a sales price with all the detailed component price on website also. So this is how you can create your experience for customer when you are selling in a pack. Now there are options like pack modifiable. So what it will do when I say pack modifiable option and I go to my sales order, and let's say I'm adding Office Essential, then I can even modify this particular pack by adding a new product in my pack. So this is how I can add or remove from my pack like this, and then I can add or remove item. So this is how I can even remove my item from my pack if I say pack modifiable. Now if I go again and disable that feature of pack modifiable, so let me go to product again, Office Essential, and let's say I say now no addition or modification allowed, and if I select Office Essential again, save this, you see it is locked. It will not allow me to modify. So adding item is not an option, but yeah, you cannot even remove any item from this pack. So this is how you can create an experience for your salespeople and user when you want to introduce a fixed defined pack with number of quantities in your Odoo on regular sales as well as website sales. Now I'm going into module detail again. So over here, I have several modules which will help me to manage entire show with pack, and this all modules are available under product pack OCA repository inside my Odoo instance also right now installed. So this is how you can download this product pack and then utilize this for your Odoo implementation. Hope this will help many people to use this product pack feature to sell in a unique way, which Odoo doesn't do in default. Thank you guys.